eating healthy nowadays isn't enough anymore. Lately, one family member nagkasakit siya. Hindi dahil hindi siya kumakain ng tama, hindi dahil wala siyang movement sa everyday niyang buhay, kundi dahil sa stress. And maybe because of lack of sleep din. Kasi she's a student. But anyway, my point is that since we have food supplement and food supplements are really created to support or supplement our diet, we may want to take advantage of it. Okay? We just need to remember that it's not a magic pill na cure all, na pag nag-take ka, as in, hindi ka talaga magkakasakit completely, but it's, from the word itself, supplement, it's support. And it's really good to have a little support, especially kapag super stressed ka, kasi stress can really deplete nutrients sa katawan natin. And then i-partner mo pa, for example, wala kang tulog or hindi ka talaga kumakain ng mga fruits and vegetables every day, walang movement, and maraming-marami pang external stressor sa katawan natin. So, it's a good to have, it's a must have. If you don't have it yet, I highly recommend you get one yourself. Get a quality food supplement for you and your family. And if this video made you pause or realize something, share this to someone else na sa tingin mo kailangang ma-remind na yeah, we really need to advantage all those small things na makakapag-prevent sa atin from any sort of illness. Kasi prevention is way better than cure. See you tomorrow.